Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what is Calendly and how does it work. First of all, I will show you some of the interface of Calendly, how does it work, and for example, we are going to schedule a meeting with Calendly today, so you can get to know the basics of how to use Calendly. But keep that in mind, these are only the basics that I'm going to show you today. It is a very deep software and it has hundreds of thousands of so many features that you have to dig in through and you have to learn them step by step. So let's start with the basics. How to schedule a meeting. First of all, you have to open your Calendly on your browser. I'm using the web version. Click on the top left corner, this arrow. It will expand the navigation and then you have to click on Create. You will get three options. You have to select one of meeting. Click on it. A new page will open. From here you can set the duration of your meetings, either 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, or you can also create custom. I will create 30 minutes and then I will click on Next. From here you will see dates on which you can create times. For example, I will select Add Times. And automatically my meetings have been added from here. I can still change the duration of my meetings from 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Or if you want to delete a meeting, you can click on here, selected times, and also delete your meetings. After you're done on this page, you have to click on Next. From here, you have to select a title of your meeting, which you can also call the name of the meeting. From here, you have to select the location of your meeting. For example, a phone call or a Zoom meeting, or you can also browse other options. Select the option. And then you have to scroll down a bit and select Share Meeting Link. Calendly will provide you a link. You have to copy the link. It will be automatically copied to your clipboard and then you can share this link with your clients. And this is the basic step of how to use Calendly and what is Calendly. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.